Got a thing for sweet potatoes? You're gonna love this casserole. Start with a couple of sweet potatoes. Give them a good scrub. Now pop them in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour. When they're nice and soft, let them cool a bit. Next, grab a bowl and mash those sweet potatoes until they're smooth. Add a cup of brown sugar, a stick of melted butter, and a splash of vanilla. Mix it all up. Now for the secret weapon, the topping. In another bowl, mix together a cup of chopped pecans, a half cup of brown sugar and half a cup of flour. Add another stick of melted butter and stir until it's crumbly. Spread the sweet potato mix in a baking dish and sprinkle that delicious topping all over. Pop it back in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's golden and bubbly. Let it cool just a bit before you dig in. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. So there you have it, the best sweet potato casserole ever. Perfect for any occasion or just because you deserve something delicious. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Happy cooking!